давление в манок, что такие звуки резкие очень получаются, громкие, резкие, четкие.
Why does such big pressure accumulates in the coal that the sounds that come out are very crisp and very abrupt?
Oh, it's the design of the coil on the inside that me and Bill did to get the pressure at that certain point where the coil will break over, and plus the hand filing of the guts that we do to get that pressure, you know, for the coil to be released real easy. Some people like the coil a little hard, so I got to set it a little hard and stuff, and some people don't want it hard. It's all in the filing of it and the angle of the trough.
Angle of?
The tone board.
The tone board angle right here is when I file it in, gets the pressure of the coil, and plus the inside of here is all done different to get the pressure to go in real tight and open up.
В общем, все связано с внутренностями манка и с углом тоновой доски. За счет этого, за счет специального дизайна, который мы с Биллом разработали, создается вот это вот давление внутри манка.
A lot of people don't want to hold their air back in their chest to get a full breath of air and just slow their air coming out of the coil. They just want to blow all the way through it and they can't get the sounds they need. They got to slow down on the coil. You know, rushing the coil, just that's not it. I'm just rushing my air through the coil. I'm not even going.
Некоторым нравится просто поток воздуха, постоянно дуть в манок. Я так не делаю.
Yeah.